Hey guys, this is Matt from 21ctactical.com. Today we are unboxing a VR80 imported by Rock Island Armory. This is a semi-automatic, magazine-fed 12-gauge shotgun that has become pretty popular over the last few years among multi-gun competitors as an open division option. The one behind me is what I used to compete with last season, so happy to tell you what I can about my experiences with it. Let's head over to the bench and see what's inside. So here we go with just a quick and simple unboxing of the VR80. For those of you who might be curious about what this comes with, we'll get back to that in just a moment. First thing you probably notice is that this is the Stormtrooper white version. The VR80s come in a number of different colors: flat dark earth, red, white, and blue, smoke gray, of course black, and there may even be a few other colors floating around out there. You'll also see the VR80s in a few different configurations. For the front end, this is a mid-length handguard, and it has a little bit longer barrel shroud. Some of the VR80 barrel shrouds actually look a little bit like a suppressor. Of course, they're not. This one has a honeycomb cut that I've never seen before that I think looks pretty cool. Of course, with the longer handguards, you've got a few more options, but it does add a little bit of weight, and this is not a light firearm to begin with, especially when you've got 19 12-gauge rounds loaded up in a steel magazine. So here are two 5-round steel mags. If you are thinking about upgrading to larger capacity, which I know that you are, I highly recommend getting ones that are tuned, like those that Tooth and Nail Armory sells. A lot of the reliability issues that VR80s can experience are actually mag related, so getting ones that are tuned by people who know what they're doing is a really smart idea. Little plastic case. Got some chokes, full cylinder, a key, Allen wrench. I know that there are some additional chokes that are available for the VR80, but it's nice that they give us a few from the box. Looks like a chamber flag, always a good idea. And a multi-purpose wrench. I'll have to look at the owner's manual to see what exactly this does, but it will probably end up in my range bag. This is a piston, and I don't know if you can see that, but it says heavy loads on it. So this is what we want to throw on if we are shooting magnum rounds, high brass, probably I would say anything over 1,300 feet per second. I'm not 100% sure what this is, to be honest with you. Maybe a handguard retaining nut, but we'll have to look at the owner's manual just to be sure. Speaking of, here is our VR80 mag-fed shotgun user's manual. Definitely want to hold on to that, just in case. Got a branded cleaning cloth. All right, so always want to check and make sure that our firearm is safe and clear. Magazine well is empty. Chamber is empty. So just a few things I'll point out quickly before we wrap this up. These are flip-up iron sights. They're plastic, nothing fancy, but I do appreciate the fact that RIA includes those for us. Here is your charging handle, which is reversible. I'll show you that in just a moment. Of course, this is the factory thumb hole stock grip combination. A lot of people like to replace these. You can pull them right off and then throw on whatever stock buffer tube and grip that you like. We have another video that walks through a lot of the upgrades and accessories that are available for the VR80. So I'll put a link to that down below, as well as a link to some of the other content that we have put together for the VR80. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I always enjoy unboxing new firearms. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, share. It really supports our channel and we appreciate it. Stay safe, guys. We'll see you soon.